We're here with Elna Silver with Tidelands Community Hospice, and we're talking about the facilities that you guys have. You guys are a Conway Chamber member. We're glad you joined us today.
Thank you so much.
Tell us what you guys do at Tidelands.
We are a not-for-profit hospice that's been in business for 25 years. We serve terminally ill patients and families in Williamsburg, Horry, and Georgetown counties.
Some of the services that you provide for folks that maybe don't understand or know about hospice care.
We provide an interdisciplinary team of services. When someone is admitted for hospice care, we have an entire team of individuals that go out and help not only the patient but the entire family. We provide physical, emotional, social, and spiritual support for a patient and family going through a terminal illness.
So how does a family really know when they're to the point where they need to contact someone about hospice?
They usually are told by their physician, and the physician says that they have traveled every medical road they can, and now it's time to think about quality of life. And he says, you might want to think about hospice care. And so hopefully they're going to choose Tidelands Hospice when they have that decision to make.
Sure. And of course, I know, as you have someone who's aging and they get into the position where hospice is necessary, what about, the costs and funding? How does that work out for someone that would have to rely on hospice?
Hospice care is paid for by Medicare. We have reimbursement by Medicare, Medicaid, and private insurance. And also the Veterans Administration takes care of veterans as well.
So if someone was interested in talking with someone at Tidelands about hospice, how would they reach you guys?
They would just call us directly, and it doesn't have to be a physician that refers a patient to hospice care. If you have someone in your neighborhood or someone in your family that you feel could benefit from hospice care, you would make the call. We would send a nurse out to assess the situation, and if indeed the person was appropriate for hospice care, the nurse would call your primary physician and he would make the referral.
Okay, great. And what's a phone number that they can reach you guys at Tidelands?
546-3410.
And you have offices, I know, in Georgetown, and where else?
We have an office, our hospice house is located in Georgetown. We do have an inpatient facility, 12 beds, and we're the first hospice in the area to offer that level of care. We have an office, our administrative office is in Georgetown. We have an office here in Conway and one in Kingstree, Williamsburg County as well.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for joining us. If you're interested in more information about hospice care, make sure you give Tidelands Community Hospice a call, and they're a Conway Chamber member.